Oh my gosh, let's pack a $195 order with Yani. So yes, Dakota ordered 21 items from our site. Thank you so much, Dakota. So we had to bring out the big guns. This is our biggest box. We had to bring out a 10x10x10 box. Yes, you heard it 3 times. So yeah, we didn't have much fluffies left, so we just used the rest that we had. And we wanted to make this order pretty, so we added some pretty stringies. So Dakota ordered a whole bunch of things. She ordered our papaya mango sugar scrub, a toasted marshmallow strawberry cheesecake, a marshmallow lip scrub. Oh my goodness, I can't even keep up. But this is our watermelon shower gel, vanilla buttercream, birthday cake, cotton candy, our dream cream, our new toasted marshmallows, our orange sherbet, our free mini, and a couple more mini lotions. So pretty. Our purple passion, papaya mango, strawberry cheesecake, ice bomb pop, and our favorite birthday cake. So we're just counting that up because we like to make sure that we got the order correct. It's so pretty. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to individually wrap everything because we like to make sure during transit nothing is like shaken up or it's broken or anything like that, because we know how USPS can get. Still love them. So we're going to put that on top and then add some more pretty stringies, and then we're going to write her a note. Thank you so much, Dakota. Yani accidentally wrote appreciate you wrong, and we could not stop laughing about that. Oh my goodness. So we had to rewrite that. It's okay. So then we put that in the order. We're gonna close that up, put a nice little heart, and we're just crying laughing about that. It was so funny, but we always get things wrong.